GM everyone. Today I am going to talk about Franchise, a product which is going to revolutionize the franchisee agreement and payments with blockchain technology. So, in our traditional franchisee agreement system, there is lack of transparency, trust issues, delayed payments, and high administrative costs. To tackle this issue, we are introducing Franchise, which is a smart contract-based platform that automates franchisee agreements and payment, ensuring there is transparency, trust, and efficiency between both parties. So let's talk about how it works. The franchisor and franchisee creates a digital franchisee agreement which will be stored on-chain, and the monthly royalties are automatically deducted from franchisee revenue and distributed to the franchisee via the smart contracts. Talking about the business model, we will cut a small percentage of the transaction processed through our smart contract, and also we will give subscriptions and custom smart contract deployment for our big MNCs and franchisee chains. Talking about the roadmap, in Q1 we will launch our MVP and initial testing. In Q2 we will partnership with early adopters and small franchisee businesses. And Q3 we will expand our business to the big franchisee chains, and Q4 we will launch our enterprise grade features. Thank you. So let's see how the program works. So in live.rs file, there is an initialize function which is used to initialize the multisig between both of the parties, and a multisig function which is used to approve the multisig by both of them. Until they both do not approve the multisig, the agreement will not get stored on chain. Then we have a deposit fund function which is used to deposit the funds received from the users and consumers directly to the vault. And we have a withdraw function which will transfer the respective shares of both parties into their accounts directly. No need to sign any transaction, no need to click on any button. The fund will be directly transferred to their wallets. And we have a pause vault function which will pause the vault and if there is any kind of dispute between both of them. And then we have a restart function which will restart the working of the vault again. After that, we have an agreement function which will terminate the agreement as the time ends, or if they want to terminate it before. So talking about the testing part, we have tested every function and every function was passed during the test. That's all about Franchise. Thank you.